Got the rescue bike out here, you guys. Get some cool cloud structure as this system heads out. Some really big winds starting to push in. Try to get some of these winds here. Oh my gosh, I can hear it. What do you got? Oh yeah, here we go. Out keeping the trails clear. We got winds at excess of 50 to 60 miles an hour as this low pressure system moves through. We're out here, chat, getting only everything, okay? Only all of it. That's all we're getting, okay? I'm sorry. That sounds braggadocious. But no, for real, man, we are out here making sure that the trails are clear. Here we go, a little bit bigger gust, maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. But yeah, if you guys are at home, I believe this has got like maybe another finger. I think this has got like maybe another couple hours, and it should start subsiding. But right now we got 40s and 50s blowing through. They might be a stray 60. Would not be surprised.